hungry. And sit. All the girls sit. What? Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Good girls. They're still sleepy. It's better when they're really hungry and awake. Good girls. We'll just get the chicken out first. Good girl. Eat the biscuit. No, we leave the biscuit. We get that chicken. Good girl, Labra. Smile, Labra. Yeah, you won't have a poo.